What's going on, guys? It's Connor from M Creek Renovations, and we have our work cut out for us today. I want to insulate our crawl space. Right now the electric bill's through the roof. It's no bueno. All the warm air is trying to go to and heat up the crawl space down below, and there may be a couple drafts that I need to plug, but right now it's just making the floor joist extremely cold. Right above, it's a partial living room, laundry room, and a sunroom, and again, those are extremely cold. You can feel it when you're sitting on the couch. You can kind of feel the cold air. So hopefully today we're going to try to eliminate that or get as far as I can go. I'm going to open it up, throw on a headlamp, just work my way across the cinder block walls, checking for any drafts. If there are drafts, I'm going to go ahead and fill it. And I'm going to show you a quick little trick that you can do to try to find those drafts as well. I just took the door off the crawl space and immediately I got hit with a blast of cold air. So when you go higher up, there's no draft, but because cold air sinks, you get more of a draft down below. So we definitely have a draft on our hands that needs to be filled before we can insulate anything. So this is the exterior wall facing the front of the house. They all look good. All the rim joist area are completely sealed. However, I did notice this one little area that we missed when we spray foamed. Right in there. Because I brought the lighter, this is what's gonna check if there's an actual draft in here or not. So, see there. So we definitely got a little bit of air going. Again, nothing crazy. It's not the main culprit, but it's a start. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use big gap foam filler, fill around the hole. It'll expand up to a 3-inch gap, and we'll just continue to make our way down the wall. I just filled in that one bay, went 2 bays down more, and see a little bit more of a gap. So again, we're running into the same thing. So I gotta fill this one too. Just filled that hole in. Now this next one, I think we hit the jackpot. It's so cold down here, it's gotta be at least 20 to 30 degrees colder. Again, this is still in my house. Right above is our sunroom, and then right next door is our living room. Those are the 2 places that are just cold. But it's so cold you can see my breath almost. I don't know whether the camera caught that, but I'm telling you, you can see my breath. Back to topic. I think this is the jackpot area where a lot of the cold air is coming in. I just need to watch how much I use this lighter, because it could get out of hand. I catch something on fire and I'm screwed. Just used the last of the first can along this cinder block wall now to the side of the house. There was a couple more drafts that I just needed to fill out, but I am going to switch now to the Great Stuff window and door sealer. This stuff pretty much does the same thing. It doesn't expand like the 3-inch gap foam does. However, it is enough, and I can just do a couple more passes. But I'm just going to continue on this wall, search for any more gaps, and hopefully seal it up. So this back wall is pretty exposed. It goes out to the garage, but it looks like none of the rim joists have been air sealed. So that's kind of frustrating. So just kind of going back over. I don't know. I'm gonna keep moving. Just moving and grooving, that's all I can do. In the rim joist area, one of the most common occurrence is where that cinder block wall comes up and those floor joists meet. There's a little seal, and if it doesn't have foam on it, that's normally where the air is gonna penetrate in. So I'll put a little diagram right there. That's kind of what I'm dealing with. I'll show you this bay that I'm working on. Just felt a nice little draft, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Hopefully the camera can pick it up. So I think I sealed all the drafts. down in the crawl space. All the rim joist areas are completely sealed. I did sneak a temperature gauge down there just to check to see what we're working with. It's saying right now it's at 48. I did grab it from all the way in the corner, so it did take some time, but it was reading 45 at one point. So again, I would need that crawl space to be right at like 65, maybe 5 to 8 degree difference. So 62, 65, but at 45, 48 degrees, I mean, you're talking a 20 degree difference. And that's just, again, no bueno, can't do that. I'm gonna leave that space open. Maybe I can throw in just a small heater to kind of heat that area up. And then the next step is doing the floor joist. So stay tuned for that. That'll probably be tomorrow, and we'll keep chipping away at it. But I'm out of here. I'll see you on the next one.